If you have created a group in WhatsApp application, then you can create a link for the WhatsApp group and send it to other people to invite them to join the WhatsApp group. So for that one, what you will do, you will open WhatsApp, and suppose if this is the group which I have created, I will open it, and from here, if I want to create a link for this group, then what I will do, I will tap on this group name. Then if I go down, there is an option invite via link. I will select it. Now this is the link which I have created for my WhatsApp group, and if I want to send this link to other people, then I will select this option, share link via WhatsApp, if I want to send it by WhatsApp. But if I want to send the link through other mediums, then I will select share link, and I have the option to send it through Facebook or through Gmail, SMS, etc. So this is how you can create a group link in WhatsApp and send it to other person to invite them to join the group. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share this video if you found it helpful. Also click on the subscribe button and hit on the bell icon to get the notification of our latest videos for free.